Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come to show you making of this thread work designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be using gold zari thread of single strand. This is for the stem work. We are going with the normal chain stitch. I'll be elaborating the design markings. Mark the curve shapes and also the leaves with the equal sizes. And on the stem work we have to give the normal chain stitch like this with the zari thread of single strand. If you want more volume you can also try with the double strand zari thread. So this is how firstly we have to start. This designing you can also follow it on creating of your blouse to look much more creative. Also for the designing of pallos on the saris or dupattas designing. Now I'll be moving forward with the using of two colors of anchor thread, green and royal blue. This is of 6 strands I'd be using here. Here I'd be marking the leaf shape with the pen to make you visible, but use the invisible markers so that it will not left with the stains. And here on the leaf work with the fishbone stitch, and this is so simple. The pic which I have shown was worked with Ari or the Magam work pattern, but here for the thread work I'd be showing in an easy way so that you can also try it on your plain suits or any types of garment designing. So this is how the fishbone stitch has to be done. Watching it carefully you'll get an idea because it's basic embroidering stitch and it's not that much difficult. Watching it you can also try it. These thread work patterns will remain with the beautiful creative look. Yet it looks simple but it will really gives an elegant look. And now I'm done with the filling of the leaf exactly in the center. I'll be going with the bullion knot stitch. That is also so simple. Insert the needle exactly in the center and wind it 15 times. Do not wind it too much tight. Make it loosen and pull the needle from the strings and insert back in the same hole. This is how we have to create exactly in the center of the leaf. The same way here I would be going with the another leaf filling with the fishbone stitch using the royal blue color, anchor thread of 6 strands. Here to get much more volume you can also try with the 10 strands or 12 strands, which will really gives an embossed same like the natural leaf. And again now in the center of the leaf I'd be going with the bullion knot stitch. And once completed, the pattern would look like this: 2 leaves with the blue color, 2 leaves with the green, and the center one with the green color. This is how the complete pattern has to be designed on the sleeves and also on the neckline. If you are trying for the blouse, you can also try overall designing on the blouse, which will really looks creative and it will really gives a nicer look. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you, and if you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, maybe useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with a